So hello guys, today we are going to learn Bestimmter Artikel. Okay, Bestimmter Artikel in German, and in English we call it definite article. Okay, next guys, the topic is very important. Everyone listen to me carefully. What is Bestimmter Artikel? Bestimmter Article means definite article in English. In English the word is the. So guys, in English we use the. In German there are three article there. The, das. Okay, in German there are three definite article. In English there is only one, that is the. In German there are three article. First is there, second is the, and third one is das.
Das.
Okay, and guys there is one more, that is the. We use for plural. We use for plural. Plural meaning more than one. Okay. So guys, if you check in dictionary, there is one word there or symbol, you can say. For masculine there will be M. Okay. Everyone mute. If you have doubt, so you unmute. Okay. Next is guys, for feminine, the, you will use F. Okay. In dictionary you will find this symbol. I will show you. Okay. Next is guys, for neuter or das, you will find there N. Okay. And last one guys, you will find symbol in dictionary, that is PL. Everyone, is it clear? Okay.
Yeah.
Next. Okay, so guys, every noun in German has a gender. So for example, for masculine we consider their article. For feminine, female, we consider the. Or for neuter, or you can say non-living, you will consider das. Okay, so guys, there is no shortcut. You need to memorize the article with the noun. Okay, so you cannot say computer. Can anyone tell the article of computer?
Das
Okay.
computer.
Babita, that is wrong. Like, this is non-living thing. You will not say the article should be das. No. So guys, you will like, you need to check in dictionary always, and the article is there. In German they consider it computer as a masculine. Clear everyone?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So just you will like computer. Okay, this is non-living, so article should be das. No, that is wrong. Clear everyone? Always you need to check, okay, in dictionary, okay, the article. Next point. Example of definite article. For example, Tisch meaning guys in German table. Okay, so you can think like Tisch, table, this is non-living, so we consider it das. No guys, in German they consider it masculine, that's why article is there. Okay, for example, lampa is lamp, lampa is lamp. Okay, they consider it feminine, the article is the. Okay, for example, next word is book. Okay, meaning is the book, and guys they consider it non-living, neuter, so article is das.
Das.
Everyone, is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so guys, the rule, you can say, always learn the noun with its article. Okay, that is important. Okay, for der Tisch, die Lampe, das book. If you do not write article, so it is wrong. Okay, missing articles, so this is wrong. Germans, they give priority to the articles. Okay, so guys, if you want, or it is fine, use color codes or pictures. Okay, for blue, like their masculine, the feminine, das is neuter. Okay. Okay, so guys, what you will do, I will tell you one more point. Okay, for example, I will check here book. Okay, so guys, can you please tell me the symbol on the right side in blue color?
N.
N equal to
Neuter.
neuter. Okay.
Not
So guys, the article is
das.
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 So book, you will write down here
Das.
das.
book.
First word is Tisch. So you will check here. Okay, you will check here Tisch. Tisch article is
M.
M equal to
There.
there. Okay, guys, next is lampa. Lampa is
Feminine. The feminine. Die.
feminine. Feminine is not guys die. The. Okay, the word is the.
Die.
The. Next is stool. Stool is
Chair.
chair. Okay, just check the article. Please let me know.
Desk.
There.
There.
There. Okay, and last word is guys fenster. Fenster meaning.
Window. Window.
Okay, please tell the article.
Neuter.
Das. Das.
Das.
Das. Okay. Yeah. So guys, that was the Bestimmter article. Here is the answers. Okay. Yeah.